Hey YouTube, it's My Videos 102. Today I'll be reviewing the GSG P5 S6. This gun was purchased in Army Navy by a guy I know. Okay, first of all, the silencer. You can unscrew. It looks pretty ugly without it, as you can see. Hold on a sec. Yeah. Cocking lever on it. Just there for looks, basically. Stock is movable. Pull this up. Stock folds out. I think it's 3 or 4 positions. This gun comes with a standard 200 round high capacity magazine. I believe you can get 250s. Wind wheel on the bottom. Selector switch. Safe. Safe. Semi. Fully automatic. Sights are pretty basic for an MP5. As you can see, sling mounts here on this side right here, and down here by the front sight. The hop up is located. It's kind of hard to notice on the camera because it's a bit dark outside, but the hop up is right here. You can adjust it right here. It's a little stick thing, and there's a little warning sign here, like on some airsoft guns. Also, the other mag release, like an M4, is right here. Same ambidextrous selector, since it's a German styled gun. Battery's housed in the fore shroud. I'm not going to take it out because it takes too much time to do it. But anyway, this gun shoots about 350 to 360 FPS, great for CQB and woodland. I'm going to do a target shoot down at the other end, down there, probably maybe about 6 cans. On semi and then fully automatic first. So just sit back and enjoy the show, YouTube. That's the review of the GSG P5 S6. Thanks for watching, YouTube.